Welcome. In this video, we'll explore Nebosh IG Element 2, focusing on Health and Safety Management Systems, or HSMS. Effective health and safety management doesn't happen by chance. Organizations need a structured approach to ensure safety is part of everyday operations, not just an afterthought. We'll break down the Plan, Do, Check, Act (PDCA) model, discuss why a clear health and safety policy matters, and look at the key elements that make a management system truly effective. By the end, you'll understand how these systems help control risks, comply with laws, and build a strong safety culture. Health and safety management systems are essential for every organization. They ensure that safety is woven into daily routines, not left to chance. With a good system, companies can control risks, meet legal requirements, and foster a culture where everyone values safety. This approach leads to fewer accidents, better compliance, and ongoing improvements. Whether you're in construction, manufacturing, or healthcare, a solid HSMS helps protect people and assets, making workplaces safer and more productive. Plan, Do, Check, Act (PDCA) model is a proven method for managing health and safety. It's a cycle that drives continuous improvement, ensuring organizations don't just set rules but actively work to make things better. PDCA starts with planning, moves to doing, then checking results, and finally acting on what's learned. This systematic approach keeps safety efforts on track and responsive to real-world challenges. First step in PDCA is plan. Here, organizations identify hazards and assess risks through thorough risk assessment. They set clear objectives to reduce incidents and improve safety, develop policies and procedures, allocate resources like budget and training, and ensure legal compliance. For example, a construction company planning high-rise work must identify fall risks, create safe work procedures, provide harnesses, and train workers. Planning lays the foundation for effective safety management. Next is the do phase, where plans are put into action. This means implementing safety procedures in daily activities, providing training and awareness to employees, ensuring supervision and communication, and introducing safe systems of work like permits and PPE. Worker participation is encouraged, making safety a shared responsibility. For instance, introducing a hot work permit system for welding helps prevent fire risks and keeps everyone safer. The check stage, organizations monitor how well their safety systems are working. This involves inspections, audits, and reviewing incident reports. Data on accidents, near misses, and compliance is collected and compared with objectives and legal standards. Any weaknesses are identified. For example, regular site inspections might reveal workers not wearing helmets correctly, signaling a need for refresher training. Act phase is about making improvements based on what's been learned. Organizations review their systems, correct nonconformities, update risk assessments and policies, and share lessons learned. The goal is continual improvement. For example, if hand injuries are frequent, better gloves might be introduced, tools redesigned, or supervision improved. This step ensures safety management evolves and adapts. PDCA model offers many benefits in health and safety management. It provides a structured approach, ensures compliance with laws and standards, and promotes continuous improvement. Both management and employees are engaged, leading to fewer accidents and lower costs. By following PDCA, organizations create safer workplaces and foster a culture where safety is everyone's priority. Health and safety policy is a written statement that shows an organization's commitment to managing safety. It sets the direction for the entire management system and provides a framework for action. The policy defines the organization's intent, demonstrates management's commitment, and serves as a reference point for setting objectives and monitoring performance. It also helps ensure legal compliance and communicates expectations to everyone involved. Typical health and safety policy has three main parts. First, the statement of intent, which declares the employer's overall commitment to health and safety and is often signed by top management. Second, the organization section, which explains who is responsible for what, including the roles of managers, supervisors, employees, and safety officers. Third, the arrangements section, which details the practical measures for implementing the policy, such as training, first aid, fire safety, and emergency procedures. Statement of intent is the first part of a safety policy. It clearly states the employer's commitment to health and safety, aiming to protect employees, contractors, and visitors. This section is usually signed by top management, showing that safety is a priority at the highest level. For example, a company might declare its commitment to ensuring, as far as reasonably practicable, the health, safety, and welfare of everyone on site. Organization section of a safety policy explains who is responsible for what within the company. It outlines the roles of managers, supervisors, employees, and safety officers, making accountability clear. For instance, site managers may be responsible for ensuring compliance with permit-to-work systems, while workers must always wear personal protective equipment. This clarity helps everyone understand their part in maintaining safety. Arrangements section details the practical steps the organization will take to implement its safety policy. This includes procedures for training, first aid, fire safety, risk assessments, use of PPE, accident reporting, and emergency arrangements. By specifying these measures, the policy ensures that safety isn't just a statement but is put into action every day. Clear health and safety policy provides vision and direction for the organization. It demonstrates legal compliance and due diligence, builds trust with employees and stakeholders, and helps prevent confusion about responsibilities. Most importantly, it forms the foundation of a positive safety culture, where everyone knows what's expected and works together to achieve it. Health and safety management systems are built on several key elements, often based on recognized standards like ISO 45001 or ILO OSH 2001. While terminology may vary, the core components remain the same: policy organizing, planning and implementing, measuring performance, reviewing performance, and auditing. Each element plays a crucial role in creating an effective and sustainable safety system. The policy element sets out the organization's intentions regarding health and safety. It's a formal commitment to continuous improvement and provides the guiding principles for all safety activities. This element ensures that everyone in the organization understands the importance of safety and the direction the company is taking. Organizing ensures that roles, responsibilities, and accountabilities are clear throughout the organization. It promotes worker participation in safety decisions, encourages effective communication and consultation, and ensures staff are competent and properly trained. For example, a company might appoint a safety officer, train supervisors, and involve workers in risk assessments to strengthen its safety culture. Planning and implementing involves identifying hazards, assessing risks, and setting health and safety objectives. Organizations decide on control measures using the hierarchy of control, allocate resources, and develop safe systems of work. For instance, an oil and gas company might install gas detection systems, train staff, and create an emergency evacuation plan to manage explosion risks. Measuring performance is about tracking how well the safety system is working. This includes active monitoring, like inspections and safety audits, and reactive monitoring, such as reviewing accident reports and near misses. Benchmarking against industry standards helps organizations see where they stand and where improvements are needed. For example, monthly site safety inspections can reveal positive changes after training campaign. Reviewing performance involves regular management reviews of policies, systems, and objectives. Organizations analyze accident statistics, audit results, and feedback from employees and stakeholders. Plans are updated to reflect lessons learned, ensuring the system stays effective and relevant. This ongoing review process is key to maintaining high safety standards. Audit element is a formal, systematic process to check whether the health and safety management system is effective. Audits identify strengths, weaknesses, and compliance gaps and provide recommendations for improvement. For example, a third-party audit might find that fire drills are inadequate, prompting management to schedule regular drills and enhance emergency preparedness. In the construction sector, health and safety management systems are vital. Permit-to-work systems are used for confined space entry, daily toolbox talks reinforce safety rules, and routine inspections of scaffolding ensure safe working conditions. These practices help prevent accidents and keep workers safe in a high-risk environment. Manufacturing industries rely on HSMS to control risks during maintenance and operations. Lockout/tagout procedures ensure energy sources are safely managed, noise monitoring protects hearing, and machine guarding prevents injuries from moving parts. These measures create a safer workplace and reduce the likelihood of accidents. In healthcare, HSMS focuses on infection control, safe disposal of sharps and medical waste, and stress management programs for staff. These systems protect both patients and healthcare workers, ensuring a safe and healthy environment for everyone involved. Strong health and safety management system brings many benefits. It reduces workplace injuries and illnesses, improves legal compliance, boosts productivity, and enhances worker confidence and morale. Organizations also enjoy lower insurance premiums and a better reputation. Investing in HSMS pays off in both human and business terms. Positive safety culture is at the heart of every effective HSMS. When management and employees are engaged, safety becomes a shared value. Open communication, regular training, and visible leadership all contribute to a culture where everyone looks out for each other and takes responsibility for safety. Complying with health and safety laws is a key reason for implementing an HSMS. Legal requirements set minimum standards, but a good system goes beyond compliance, aiming for best practices and continual improvement. This approach not only avoids penalties but also demonstrates the organization's commitment to protecting people. Continuous improvement is a core principle of HSMS. By regularly reviewing and updating policies, procedures, and controls, organizations adapt to new risks and changing environments. This proactive approach ensures that safety standards remain high and that the system evolves with the organization's needs. Engaging workers in safety decisions is essential for a successful HSMS. When employees are involved in risk assessments, safety meetings, and training, they're more likely to follow procedures and contribute ideas for improvement. This participation builds ownership and strengthens the safety culture. Effective communication ensures everyone understands their roles and responsibilities in the HSMS. Regular meetings, clear procedures, and accessible information help prevent misunderstandings and keep safety top of mind. Open channels for reporting hazards and incidents are also vital for continuous improvement. Training is a cornerstone of any effective HSMS. Employees must be competent to carry out their tasks safely. This means providing initial and refresher training, assessing skills, and ensuring everyone understands the risks and controls relevant to their work. Competence builds confidence and reduces the likelihood of accidents. Allocating sufficient resources is crucial for HSMS success. This includes budget for safety equipment, time for training, and personnel to manage safety activities. Without proper resources, even the best plans can fail. Management must prioritize safety in resource planning to achieve real results. Risk assessment is the process of identifying hazards, evaluating risks, and deciding on control measures. It's a fundamental part of planning in HSMS. By systematically assessing risks, organizations can prioritize actions and allocate resources where they're needed most, reducing the chance of harm. The hierarchy of control is a framework for deciding how to manage risks. It starts with eliminating hazards, then moves to substitution, engineering controls, administrative controls, and finally personal protective equipment. Using this hierarchy ensures that the most effective controls are considered first. Safe systems of work are formal procedures designed to ensure tasks are carried out safely. They include permits to work, standard operating procedures, and the use of PPE. These systems help prevent accidents by providing clear instructions and controls for hazardous activities. Reporting incidents, near misses, and unsafe conditions is essential for learning and improvement. A good HSMS encourages prompt and honest reporting, followed by thorough investigation and corrective action. This process helps prevent future incidents and strengthens the safety system. Being prepared for emergencies is a key part of HSMS. This includes having plans for fire, medical emergencies, and evacuations, as well as regular drills to ensure everyone knows what to do. Effective emergency arrangements save lives and minimize harm when incidents occur. Management reviews are regular evaluations of the HSMS to ensure it remains effective and aligned with organizational goals. These reviews consider performance data, audit results, and feedback, leading to updates and improvements. Active management involvement is crucial for sustained safety performance. Third-party audits provide an independent assessment of the HSMS. Auditors identify strengths and weaknesses, ensuring the system meets legal and industry standards. Their recommendations help organizations close gaps and achieve higher levels of safety performance. Every incident is an opportunity to learn and improve. By analyzing what went wrong and why, organizations can implement corrective actions and prevent recurrence. Sharing lessons learned with employees ensures everyone benefits from the experience and helps build a safer workplace. Contractors play a vital role in many organizations. Ensuring they understand and follow the HSMS is essential for overall safety. Clear communication, training, and monitoring help integrate contractors into the safety culture and prevent accidents on site. A robust HSMS enhances an organization's reputation. Clients, partners, and the public are more likely to trust companies that prioritize safety. This positive image can lead to new business opportunities and long-term success. Investing in health and safety management brings financial rewards. Fewer accidents mean lower insurance premiums, reduced downtime, and less compensation paid out. Improved productivity and morale also contribute to a healthier bottom line. A strong HSMS supports sustainability by protecting people, assets, and the environment. Safe workplaces are more resilient and adaptable, able to respond to challenges and changes. This long-term perspective benefits everyone, from employees to the wider community. Sum up, Nebosh IG1 Element 2 highlights the importance of structured health and safety management systems. The PDCA model ensures systematic planning, implementation, monitoring, and improvement. A clear policy provides direction, while organizing, planning, measuring, reviewing, and auditing make the system effective. Organizations that embrace these principles protect their workers and achieve long-term success. Building a robust HSMS is an investment in safety, reputation, and sustainability.